Hello everyone, in today's video I want to talk about my first deal. This is an important one and one that I'm still proud of, so I'm excited to share it with you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Comment, like, let's get this community rolling. I'm super excited for 2022. There's a lot in store here. But my first deal. At this point in my investing career, I was in analysis paralysis, as they call it. I was analyzing tons of deals. I was doing all my research, but I was doing that for way too long. I felt like I was ready. So what I did, I started these conversations with sellers, and these were all for sale by owners, whether I got them on Craigslist, on Zillow. I didn't know how to source my own off-market deals at this point. So this was just me trying to negotiate with these sellers. So that's what I was doing. It was good practice. I had one on Zillow that had been on the market for way too long. So what happens with these for sale by owners is they think that they can do the same job as a real estate agent. They price it way too high and it never sells. And that's the case with most for sale by owners. So I tend to stay away from those at this point and source my own deals. But at this point, I didn't have that knowledge. So keep that in mind. But I was talking with this seller for over 6 months and he realized that his price was unrealistic. So at this point, I was committed to make him an offer and he was finally realistic. So we wrapped up the property at $345,000. And this is for 4 units in Moses Lake, 2 duplexes on the same lot. So I was super pumped. I finally got the verbal. It took me a lot understanding the contracts because keep in mind, none of us were represented. This was completely off market. And I was trying to ask people for help with these contracts. My network wasn't too strong at that point, so it was really tough. But finally, I just hired a lawyer to draft me this purchase and sale agreement. And so once I got that, I sent it over to the seller. We got it signed. We sent it to title and escrow, and I wrapped up the deal. So now today, this deal is still doing amazing. We got each of these duplexes for around $170 at the time, $172 a piece, and now those are going for $230, $250. So on appreciation side, in just 1 year, it's done wonderful. My favorite part though about this deal is that it's 13% cash on cash return. So the cash flow is amazing. That's why I chose this market. It's in Eastern Washington, so not on the heavy appreciation side like Seattle, but I got exactly what I wanted out of it. And most importantly, this deal gave me confidence. It got me excited to do it again. I have a property manager in place, so I don't have to think about it much. I just get paid on a monthly basis, and that's the joy of real estate. Appreciation, cash flow, tax benefits, what more could you ask for? If you're not in real estate now, I highly recommend you start taking action. Stop being interested, take action. Ask me what you should do, subscribe, do something to take action. Stop waiting on the sidelines because people are getting rich while you're just interested. Get committed and you'll start making the money with me. So this deal in summary, I bought these 2 duplexes on the same lot in Moses Lake almost exactly a year ago today. I bought these for $345,000 and today they're worth at least $500,000 together. So that's over $150,000 in appreciation that's added to my net worth. But my favorite part is my mortgage is $1,450 on this and my rents are $3,450. So after expenses, after property manager, I'm making at least $1,500 in cash flow every single month. This is how you're going to escape the 9-to-5. If you invest, you will be able to find freedom and spend your time exactly how you want.